Home Canning, Guide 5. Preparing and canning poultry, red meats, and seafoods. Guide 5 of the USDA Complete Guide to Home Canning focuses on preparing and canning poultry, red meats, and seafoods. It is crucial to start with fresh, chilled, and healthy products. Fresh home-slaughtered red meats and poultry should be chilled and canned without delay. Do not can meat from sickly or diseased animals. Ice fish and seafoods after harvest, eviscerate immediately, and can them within 2 days. This guide provides detailed instructions for canning a variety of meats and seafoods, including chicken or rabbit, with or without bones. Ground or chopped meat, such as bear, beef, lamb, pork, sausage, veal, or venison. Strips, cubes, or chunks of meat from bear, beef, lamb, pork, veal, or venison. Meat stock, broth. Chili con carne. Clams, whole or minced. King and Dungeness crab meat. Fish in pint jars, such as blue, mackerel, salmon, steelhead, or trout. Fish in quart jars, including blue, mackerel, salmon, steelhead, or trout, but not tuna. Oysters. Smoked fish, such as salmon, rockfish, or flatfish, sole, cod, flounder. Tuna. When canning meats, the hot pack method is preferred for best liquid cover and quality during storage. Natural poultry fat and juices are usually not enough to cover the meat in raw packs. For ground meat, cook until lightly browned, and remove excess fat. With venison, add 1 part high-quality pork fat to 3 or 4 parts venison before grinding. For strips, cubes, or chunks of meat, pre-cook until rare by roasting, stewing, or browning in a small amount of fat. Always leave the correct headspace in the jars and remove air bubbles. All meats and seafoods must be processed in a pressure canner to prevent botulism. Always follow the recommended processing times and pressures for your altitude. For fish in quart jars, a different procedure for venting the canner is required, with a minimum of 30 minutes of heating and venting before starting the processing time. For smoked fish, a different procedure for filling the pressure canner is required, using 4 quarts of cool tap water. After processing, do not retighten the jar lids, and cool the jars at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. Following the guidelines in this guide will ensure that you create safe, high-quality, and nutritious canned meats and seafood for your pantry. From fruits and vegetables to meats and seafood, you'll find all the information you need to create safe and delicious canned goods. Don't wait, click the link in the description below to get your copy and begin canning at home. If you found this video helpful, you can get your own copy of the Complete Guide to Home Canning today. We offer 3 different formats to suit your needs. First, we have the standard paperback edition, with a blue cover and non-color illustrations. This is our most economical option. Next, there's the hardcover version, with a red cover and non-color illustrations. This durable edition is perfect for long-time use or as a gift. Finally, we have the premium paperback edition with a green cover and full-color illustrations. This version offers the most visually appealing experience. You can find all of these versions on Amazon, using the link in the description below. No matter which version you choose, you'll get all the step-by-step instructions you need to can food safely at home. Happy canning!